Well, Crombat boys are back online. The beautiful awesome days have brought us some beautiful Canadian chicken pesto pasta, pâté avec poulet pasteur, menu number 14, and now we're gonna, no, sorry, menu number 10. So now we're gonna open it up and see what the Canadians have in for us. The package is purely cardboard, like some sort of paper, cardboardish paper, which is very easy to rip apart. You see, it just, you know, it just opens. It opens up. It opens up like a woman's heart when you give her some wine and chocolate, and then other things open up. Basically, when you just, you know, open it up, it looks like this. And we have a lot of garbage here, and the garbage goes ecologically to waste. Don't worry, we're gonna pick it up later, and we're not stupid. I mean, this is the camera guy is laughing, very funny, yes. No, we're gonna pick it up. Okay, what we get here is mango peach applesauce, complete peu mango peach fruit snack collection. This is actually, if you haven't heard for it, mango peach applesauce. It's a beautiful thing. It's very exciting. We have some coffee crisp from Nestle. I suppose you can get it also at your 7-Eleven, Walmart, or other interesting stores. We have some icebreakers. Icebreakers, perfectly powerful mints. These are perfectly powerful mints. How do you say it? Perfectly powerful mints. It sounds perfectly powerful mint. Perfectly powerful mints. Perfectly powerful mints. Christ. Also, there is some strawberry jam. Strawberry jam. Strawberry jam. Wow, this is beef jerky. Beef jerky, I mean, it's beef jerky. It's like cool. It's beefy and jerky. We'll see about it later. Matches. There is pain hamburger. This burger feels pain. Hamburger bun. This is hamburger bun, in which we're gonna put some other stuff. There is peanut butter, packed similar as United States peanut butter, but lighter color of the package. Ja, da imaš pravo. Sorry, we must not zanemarit.
Neglect.
We must not neglect the French minority in Canada, so we're gonna speak everything in French also. Burger sheets. Burger sheets. Burger sheets. Burger sheets. That's peanut butter. There is also raspberry sports drink, all framboise en plus sportifs. Fuck this shit. Two of them. There is more, I don't know. There is mint hot chocolate. Very mint, very hot, very chocolate. Espresso roast coffee. It's cool, I suppose. Tea coffee whitener, sugar, red hot chili peppers, and spoon. But I prefer this spoon because, you know, you can kill an enemy with this spoon. If you make a sharp object, this would break. If you make a sharp object and you can stab the guy in the jugulars, here, do this and this. But don't do it at home. Do it outside of home, because if you kill somebody at home, not good. And the main meal, chicken pesto pasta. Pasta avec poulet et pesto. I suppose I spelled it right. Chicken pesto pasta, this is one of the worst in MREs, according to me. I mean, if you love it, you're crazy, but let's see. Okay, now we're gonna clear out this mess. We're gonna clear out the autumn details. We don't need them anymore. We have to have hygienically correct table for eating. So that's why I'm gonna clean it up. Sorry guys. I'm gonna use the mango peach apple. As you can see, mango peach apple sauce is great for clearing out the table for eating. I like this review messy as I like my relationships. This is my first time opening the IMP, something attacked me. This is my first time opening the Canadian food. So okay, we're gonna keep this for heating up. Warning company, placed in boiling water, return to boil. So for this we're gonna need boiling water. That's why I brought the boiling MRE heating bag. Sekundu. Since we don't have a commodity of hot water and we don't have any pots, we came out from our work this is sort of a coffee break, and we had no time to prepare the vast amount of equipment that you need if you are in armed forces to eat in Canadian armed forces. Because if you're in Canadian armed forces, first what you have to do is you have to say I'm sorry for being in army. Do not overfill. I live on the edge.
What?
Okay, we have a problem. Not for long. Okay. Oh, come on. This feels like my first date. This also feels like my first date. Do we need a rock or something, or we just gonna take this cardboard or something? Okay, now we are gonna heat up. And by the way, in the meantime, while this is heating up, we can also make some mint hot chocolate chaud d'almond. How we gonna do it? It's gonna be a wild ride, but we're gonna do it anyways. We take this hot beverage bag. Okay. Okay. It looks I don't know, muddy. Okay, this is the chocolate beverage bag with mixed mint hot chocolate, which is right now it's cold because the water is cold. But if we insert this along this, things might get cold. I love the smell of MRE heating bag in the morning.
At the first day, did you double stuff it also?
I had to. It's what our customers are saying to us. Okay, now this is going to prepare itself, and there is a rock or something right behind me. Hamburger bun. Well, this is like some old ancient Egyptian thing, you know, very, very old, very, very dry and very ancient. It's pretty dry, this pain hamburger, pain in the burger, but we're going to make some use of it. We're gonna take some peanut butter, burger sheets. I really like this French language, but I had to learn German in my school.
Sounds Arabic to me.
Yes. Well, French in Arabia, it's pretty same. Due to the demographic reports lately. I mean, I'm okay with it. Just it's their colonies and stuff. They had a lot of their colonial people come home. Burger sheets, the peanut butter is on top. It's somewhat waterish, as you can see, and then there is this poopy strong part. And we can what can we put? What can we put? And then we put strawberry jams.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Yes, I'm jelly. Huh? Oh, verdammt! Verdammt! Ich hasse dich! Was machen Sie? The Germans are coming! Sorry guys, I'm sick a little bit. Okay, and now we can use this long live the king spoon, long spoon, and spread it all over, just like on my first date. Just
Your only date.
yes, well, it was first. You have to have it first. You spread it and then you slap it a little bit, like you see. You slap it and then it's edible. This is actually great dessert, but since I have no time to wait for the main meal to heat up, I'm going to eat it right now. It goes better with hamburger pain bun than with crackers. That's for sure. I don't know why, but you know, when it's softer and ancient, somehow it tastes much better. Well, let's see if the matches work.
Czekaj, moram wymienić. Lower.
The matchbox. Yes, they work. They're burning like some villages in my country some years ago. I won't say whose villages are burning. I'm so sorry. The Warren Company made this beautiful mango peach applesauce. Kompot pom mango et peach. I suppose I'm spelling it wrong. Mang et peach. Mangue et peaches. Really peaches. Let's open it up and see how it. Ooh, damn. I've seen all sorts of applesauces and compotes. You think you've seen it all, but then the French and the Canadian actually, they come with this. I mean, I understand it's sauce and it should look like this, but every time I look, I don't know, it's kind of this, gross. I'm sorry guys, I really can't eat this. It's sweet and sour and terrible at the same time. That's basically the taste you are looking. Whitener and coffee, I won't be preparing that. Raspberry framboise poison puffy. I think the color is telling you everything. So basically the bottle is green. And imagine what the true color is. True true colors. What the true color is, if this is so pink in the side of the green bottle. Oh, sorry, the applesauce. I mean, it's okay, but it's okay. Raspberry. Raspberry is a tonic drink. Cool stuff. Yeah, we are on Savica Lakes again. Ornithologic reserve for birds. Birds that are left homeless and that run from Syria and Afghanistan. They come here in this sanctuary for them. I'm not shooting actually, this really is the reserve for birds. And this is the beef jerky. It looks cool. Ah. And it's very dry. I mean, it has to be that way, right? Ah. Okay. Beef, brown sugar, dextrose, and all other beautiful things. Beef jerky, guys. Okay, the chocolate brown really is hot because of the heater, and it is the hot chocolate with mint, so let it chill out for a second. I like the way it is. I really like the way it looks like. And now let's see this chicken pesto pasta. When you heat it up on the one end, you have to mix it up so the other end comes right up to the heated place.
That's what she said.
Yeah, on the first date, right? Yeah, baby. You my chicken pesto pasta, baby. Yeah. Show me some that green pesto of yours. Yeah. Okay, let's go. We still have one bun. This is gonna be sort of a plate for us, so I can show it to you guys. Zašto uvijek ne pravi ovako jebeno? Ooh, yeah. I see the pesto in your pasta. Well, this pesto pasta is very similar to American pesto pasta, but it smells lesser, if it's okay to say that way. As you can see, there are big chunks of chicken, and there is stuff. Well, this is actually good. I mean, it is old, 3 years old, but I mean, it's 3 years out of date. But nevertheless, this is pretty good stuff. You see the pasta, the basil, and everything. There are pieces of pomidori, tomatoes, paradise, as we say in Croatia. Very Croatian word, paradise, or rajčica. And basically, you know, it does not smell as bad as US MRE, although the same company produces it, you know, the Warnick company. Actually, I'm not sure if Warnick company makes chicken pesto pasta for MREs. Okay, never mind. But as you can see here, there is also some seriously grilled tomatoes, big chunks, and big chunks of chicken. So basically, this Canadian meal is pretty cool. Although if you are vegetarian and you can sacrifice some chicken in your life, then this meal will be also suitable for you. and you won't be like, it's terrible, it smells like something. No, it smells pretty cool, you know, and it looks pretty cool, and it tastes, I guess, okay. I mean, first I've had the American pesto pasta, and I was like, the worst ever. I will never eat it again. But now I see that if prepared properly, then the taste and everything else is cool, it's okay, and it can be eaten and enjoyed in, even though if it's in the ready-to-eat meal for XY army. And the last, but not the least, actually not the last, one before last, the hot mint chocolate, hot chocolate. It smells really minty, and I bet it's gonna be great. Pretty cool, guys. Hot chocolate mint. This is definitely worth of buying in a civilian time. I like it a lot. Like after 8 chocolate, something like that, but pretty cool. And the last, actually, today, the coffee crisp Nestle chocolate bar with coffee filling. That's it, guys. This was an unusual review of the Canadian chicken pesto pasta. I would say a good meal. Not great, not best, but good meal. A lot of stuff, a lot of different stuff, and definitely I would take it if it was fresh. I would definitely recommend it over the American. Let's say if this is equivalent of the one meal, like the MRE. And I would definitely recommend you watch out with this beef jerky, because it's terribly gummy, and if you have weak teeth, you might break some teeth. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching once again, and I hope I could get some likes on this video. I see everybody watching, but nobody liking. I mean, what's the problem, dude? Don't like my stupid racistic and homophobic jokes. Don't you like this beautiful outdoors? Don't you like this Slavic English Slavic Ivan accent? I can do the Ivan accent. Cheeky breaky, yes, Slavs. We are Croatians, the South Slavs. I hope you like my impersonations of Slavic people. Next time I bring rakia, schnapps. See you guys.